Hello, sports fans, and welcome to the Scott Sports 101. We'll call it a Monday Night Football update show right now because it's can't be a pregame. So we'll call it a Monday Night Football update show through three quarters. It's now in the fourth with 13:55 to go. We'll get to all of it in just a sec, and I'll give my thoughts and what I feel has the edge. But first, here is today's Scott Sports 101 Monday Night Football trivia question. Which of these was the first team to win a Monday night game on the road? The Cleveland Browns, the Green Bay Packers, the Minnesota Vikings, or the Kansas City Chiefs? I'll have the answer later in the broadcast. It's Monday Night Football Week 11. Are you ready for some football? The Kansas City Chiefs are up on the LA Chargers 24-17. Now in the fourth quarter, because the third quarter just ended, at Estadio Aztec Stadium in Mexico City. The Chiefs have looked good the first half, through three quarters, and they've kept the Chargers on their toes, but the Chargers have kept this game close. And they took a 7-0 lead. Actually, the Chargers had a 3-0 lead, and that became 7-3 Chiefs. And then it was 9-3. And then the Chiefs scored a touchdown. It was 10-3. And then the Chargers had another field goal, and it was 6-3. And then it was 10-6. Actually, that was a field goal was kicked by the Chiefs, and then it was 10-9 at the half. And then the Chargers went up 17-10, but then the Chiefs came back and scored two touchdowns, and now that's where we remain at 24-17. The Chargers, they have looked decent, but they need to stop the Chiefs' pass rush and running game, and they have been giving the Chiefs much more to overcome in this game tonight, and really have to work for in this game. They've been giving the Chiefs a really big challenge in this game tonight. And I feel KC has the edge in this game, and so does my brother-in-law, Eric Hoyle. So we both have KC for tonight's game. And the Chiefs are coming off a big win, actually a 3-point loss to the Tennessee Titans last week, and Week 10, and they had a chance and they just could not do it last week. They just could not prevail on that win. And the Chargers are coming off a 2-point loss last Thursday night, actually a couple of weeks ago in Week 10 on Thursday Night Football to the Oakland Raiders, 26-24. They just fell ever so short in that one, and that's why, So that's why both teams are out to win tonight, but I feel the Chiefs have the edge. And Myles Garrett, this is a little Browns update. Myles Garrett is appealing his suspension, and he knows he's suspended for the remainder of the season, but he is appealing it and to get a reduction, and also he knows he's going to have to pay a fine. So we'll see what happens. I'll still keep you updated. And I'll still keep you updated on that. And and Larry Obijobi still has a 1-game suspension, and Marquise Ponce still has a 3-game suspension. And I'll still keep you updated. I'll let you know. Keep you updated with all the details on this. And I'm going to go over all of yesterday's action. That's what I will do right now. You already know the Browns won Thursday night, 21-7. The Buffalo Bills beat the Miami Dolphins 37-20 at Hard Rock Stadium in Miami. The Dallas Cowboys beat the Detroit Lions 35-27 at Ford Field in Detroit. The Baltimore Ravens beat the Houston Texans at M&T Stadium 41-7. They manhandled them. The Atlanta Falcons walloped the Carolina Panthers at Bank of America Stadium in Carolina 29-3. The New Orleans Saints with a big win over the Tampa Bay Buccaneers at Raymond James Stadium in Tampa, 34-17. The Minnesota Vikings came back down from 20-0 and beat the Minnesota Vikings 27-23 at US Bank Stadium in Minneapolis, Minnesota. The 49ers beat the Arizona Cardinals 36-26 at Levi's Stadium in San Francisco. The New England Patriots beat the Philadelphia Eagles at Lincoln Financial Stadium in Philadelphia 17-10. And the Oakland Raiders beat the Bengals 17-10 at Oakland Company Coliseum in Oakland, California. And the Bengals still remain winless, now at 0-10. The Jacksonville Jaguars beat the Indianapolis Colts, beat the Jacksonville Jaguars 33-13 at Lucas Oil Stadium in Indianapolis. The New York Jets got their second win of the season. They beat the Washington Redskins 34-17 at FedEx Field in Washington. And the LA Rams beat the Chicago Bears 17-7 at LA Memorial Coliseum in LA last night on Sunday Night Football. And those are the scores from all the games yesterday. And we'll get back to talking about some more about tonight's game in just a moment. But first, here is the answer to today's Scott Sports 101 Monday Night Football trivia question. Which of these teams was the first team to win a Monday night game on the road? The Cleveland Browns, the Green Bay Packers, the Minnesota Vikings, or the Kansas City Chiefs? And if you said the Kansas City Chiefs, you are correct. The Kansas City Chiefs beat the Colts in Baltimore 44-24 in the second Monday night game ever played. The Colts lost only one more game the rest of the season and won Super Bowl V over the Dallas Cowboys 16-13. The Browns won the first Monday night game at home in Cleveland. And I'll have another trivia question on my next broadcast, which will be on Wednesday, so stay tuned for that. Now, getting back to tonight's game between the Chiefs and Chargers in Mexico City, I just feel that the Chiefs are really going to have the edge in this game tonight, and I do feel that the Chiefs are really good. Both teams are going to be out to win, but the Chiefs really want to bounce back from their loss last Sunday, and so the Chargers. But I think Patrick Mahomes has really had Phil Rivers' number tonight and the Chargers' number right now. But it is close, though, so I just feel that this is going to come down to the wire. It could come down to either a last-second touchdown or a last-second field goal in the final seconds of tonight's game. So I just feel this is going to be one of those games where it's going to come down to the final seconds to see who wins this one. So we shall see. So I will keep you posted. But right now the Chiefs are up on the Chargers 24-17. And I think it's under 11 minutes to go in the fourth quarter now. But I really think this is going to be one of those games where the lead could seesaw back and forth between these two teams tonight. And and I really think that's what it's going to be. And I just really feel it's going to be a close game. I really feel it's not going to be a blowout by any means, I don't think. Well, that's just about going to wrap it up for the Scott Sports 101 Monday Night Football Update Show. We had to do that instead of a pregame show. I'll be back with the Scott Sports 101 Monday Night Football postgame show once the Monday Night Football game between the Chiefs and Chargers from Mexico City has concluded. But until then, always remember, be a team player each and every day and every way possible. So long, everybody. 3, 2, 1, I'm done.